I completed my BE in Computer Science Engineering from Francis Xavier Engineering College, Tirunelveli. Then in 2020, then I preparing government exams till 2023. After that, I joined JSpiders for Java full stack course in online, and then I came here Chennai for placements, and then I took backup class for web tech and Java in offline in Chennai Chrompet. Then I learned a lot from the trainers. It's really helpful to me to gain more knowledge, in-depth knowledge in the subjects of web tech, Java. So and it was really helpful to me to understand each and every part of the subject. So this was this was give me the best opportunity to placed in one of the best MNCs in Chennai. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for taught me good knowledge in the subjects.